What's going on, everyone? Have you been thinking of buying a track dolly for your camera or your phone so you can take better product pictures? Today we're going to be unboxing the Yelangu, however you say that. Sorry if I mispronounce it. It's called the Yelangu track dolly. Not sure why they call it a track because it doesn't go on a track. However, I think you can put it on a track if you already have a track. But it's a motorized dolly on wheels that allows you to do multiple angles. You can slide back and forth and reverse. Stick around and I'll tell you what I think right after this amazing intro. Welcome back to Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the tech reviews to give you the easy choice. Today we're going to be unboxing the Yelangu motorized track dolly for cameras and phones. I can't wait to get to this unboxing. I'm working on a tight budget, so I've been very limited on the types of pictures I can take and the stuff that I can do. This is a value version of a motorized track dolly, so I'm hoping it works out for me and does a great job. Let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. I do believe this is coming from overseas, so they do package their stuff in multiple layers usually. Here we go, the Yelangu motorized track dolly. Oh, I'm so excited to get into this. It's like that corner was smashed a little bit. It's a little rough to get open. All right. We have a nice remote. It's got pause, play. I don't know if that's a reset or start over, and plus and minus. I think that's to control the speeds. We've got a USB cable with a micro USB connection. Looks like these are just the regulatory checks. There's a little pamphlet. Ooh, that thing is nice. So it does have a little head here. You can do the 3/8 or the 1/4 inch, it looks like. This thing's got some pretty good weight to it. Ooh, it's nice and heavy, I like that. It's got an Allen wrench here and another ring for these tires, it looks like. And the Allen wrench is to do some adjustments on here and some tightening on that. There's a USB port and an on-off switch on this side. And on this side, you've got the speed and the arrows there. That tells you how full the battery is. And this allows you to adjust the speed. These lights tell you what speed your settings are. There's 1, 2, and 3. And that starts moving. Oh, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this, guys. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that. Looks like you can turn these in different directions. Let's go ahead and give it a quick try. Oh. This is going to be nice, guys. You don't even know. I'm hoping that this helps me get some better pictures of my products for you guys and helps me create better content. Alright, now that we've done the unboxing, I went ahead and used this a few times so I can get a good understanding of how it works and the different speeds and if there's any motion that's caused in the camera, stuttering or that kind of thing, or even noise from the motor, so that feeds back into the camera. What it found is there is a slight jerk depending on like when you're starting or when you transition in directions that you're going. There's a slight jerk. If you do not have the wheels aligned the same angle on both sides of this device, it will cause some jerking to happen. Otherwise it's pretty smooth. I wish it did go a little slower for the slow speed, because even the slow speed is a little fast, I think. It doesn't quite get as slow as I'd like it to. But there is 3 speeds and the fast one is fairly fast. So I do like that it is USB charging and it does change directions depending on how you have that set up. I do like how this has the 3/8 and the 1/4 inch screw, and you can flip them around depending on what your camera or your camera head mount uses. The remote is also a nice function. Once you have the camera on there and everything set up, you can use the camera and you can use the remote and not have to worry about it. You can also change directions with the remote. We'll go ahead and show you some footage now of how this looks, and you guys let me know after you see some of the footage. Okay, so there you have it. Go ahead and leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you think this is a viable product as far as the noise and shakiness that it adds to the camera, and we'll go from there. I definitely think that if you're just starting out, it doesn't hurt to have something like this. It just gives you that, helps you do a little extra couple of things to add to your videos. Definitely, as I learn to use it, I know I'm going to be wanting to upgrade to some nicer ones, more slide type ones that will give me some more functions and features that go above and beyond what this can do, as well as provide a smoother and quieter picture. So, but for now, this is what we have and we'll make it work. I want to thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you can get future notifications. You can check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Easy Choice Reviews. You also can follow us on Twitter at reviews_easy, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.